Hello everyone. Today we learn all these words. There's long A sound, but first let's fill out your name. So put side here 22. No, 22. Okay. Now let's fill out the name. So in this case, Vattanac. Okay. And today 28. Oops. March 2021. Okay. Now you will learn all of this. You'll learn about race, may, paint, male, whales, play, cape, hay, rain, neighbor. Okay, so we do again here. Race ការប្រឡងប៉ុណ្ណឹងដូចជាអាចរត់ប្រឡងប៉ុណ្ណឹងឬក៏ជិះកង់ប៉ុណ្ណឹងគ្នាក៏បានដែរ May ខែឧសភាខែទី5 Paint ផាត់ពណ៌ឬក៏លាបពណ៌ក៏បានដែរ Male ក្នុងករណីយើងគឺប្រអប់សម្បុត្រ Whales ត្រីបាឡែន Play ការសម្ដែងឬក៏ល្ខោន Cape មួកកតឹប Hay គឺ hay ដែរទេ Rain ភ្លៀង Neighbor អ្នកជិតខាង Okay, now complete each sentence with a long A word from the word box. So now let's try together. Okay, 1. Today I received a letter in the mail. Today ថ្ងៃនេះ I received ទទួលបាន a letter គឺសម្បុត្រ in the mail គឺនៅក្នុងប្រអប់សម្បុត្រ 2. My favorite animals are whales. So now let's try with number 1. Today I received a letter in the mail. So you just write mail. Number 2. My favorite animals are whales. So you write whale, W-H-A-L-E-S, whales. My favorite animals are whales. Favorite ស្រឡាញ់ពេញចិត្ត animals សត្វ my របស់ខ្ញុំសត្វដែលខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់ពេញចិត្តសត្វដែលស្រឡាញ់ពេញចិត្តរបស់ខ្ញុំគឺត្រីបាឡែន whales. Number 3. It was muddy after the rain. Okay, so this already rain ភ្លៀង It was muddy ហ្នឹងគឺផុក after បន្ទាប់ពី the rain ភ្លៀង so just write rain, R-A-I-N. Number 4. Which one? Number 4. You have to complete this sentence. Yes, right. Hey, watch out for the ball. Hey, watch out, be careful. ប្រយ័ត្នបាល់ the ball. Number 5. James liked to draw and what? Wait, that's right. And paint. So you write paint, P-A-I-N-T. James likes chu chất. Draw, cú, and paint, phạt bó. Number 6. I finished first in the which one? In the race. So you write race, R-A-C-E. I finishedគឺបញ្ចប់ I ខ្ញុំបានបញ្ចប់ first លេខ1 ឬក៏ដំបូងគេ in the race នៅក្នុងការប្រឡងប្រណាំង Number 7. The superhero wears a blue. Superhero wears a blue. Yes, blue cape. You write cape. C-A-P-E. The superhero wears a blue cape. Superhero the archer wears blue cape. Mũ bó kiều. Correct. Now, number 8. My what? You have to complete. Take the word from the box here. My. Correct. My neighbor. Okay. So you write neighbor. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-R. Neighbor. My neighbor អ្នកជិតខាងរបស់ខ្ញុំ is having a garage sale. Is having a garage sale. Garage កន្លែងចតឡាននៅផ្ទះយើង garage ឬក៏មួយទៀតកន្លែងជួសជុលឡានតែក្នុងករណីនេះគឺកន្លែងសម្រាប់ចតឡានហ្នឹងគឺអ្នកជិតខាងរបស់ខ្ញុំគឺលក់នៅកន្លែងចតឡាន sell ក៏លក់កន្លែងចតឡានចោល sell លក់ sell បាទ sell បាទ Number 9. We rehearse all day for the. Number 9. We rehearse all day for the. Rehearse ហាត់ឬក៏ซ้อม all day យើងហាត់ពេញមួយថ្ងៃសម្រាប់ for the. Correct. For the play ការសម្ដែង So you write play P-L-A-Y. Play. So we rehearse all day. All day គឺពេញមួយថ្ងៃ for the play សម្រាប់ការសម្ដែងហ្នឹង Now the last one, number 10. Tina's birthday is in. You see here we use all the word already. Which one is left? Correct. May. So Tina's birthday is in May. Okay, and make sure that for the month you have to begin with a capital letter. Okay, so M-A-Y. Tina's birthday is in May. Correct. Great job. Now let's try to read from number 1 to number 10 together. Number 1. Today I received a letter in the mail. Number 2. My favorite animals are whales. Number 3. It was muddy after the rain. Number 4. Hey, watch out for the ball. Number 5. James likes to draw and paint. Number 6. I finished first in the race. Number 7. The superhero wears a blue cape. Number 8. My neighbor is having a garage sale. Number 9. We rehearsed all day for the play. Number 10. Tina's birthday is in May. Tina's birthday is in May. ខួបកំណើតរបស់ Tina គឺនៅខែឧសភា That's all, everybody. Thanks so much for the great work. We see you later. Have a good day. Bye bye.